Welcome to the overview of the Coding Labs and MindTap for Computer Science provided by GitHub Codespaces. This comprehensive video will show you the new Coding Labs and MindTap. GitHub Codespaces is a powerful visual studio code offered via the cloud, allowing students to code anywhere without spending their classroom time installing and downloading software. This will give them a jump start in the classroom while providing them an opportunity to learn on an industry standard tool. For the purposes of this video, we're going to be looking at activity Python Lab 1-1, executing Python code. All of the GitHub Coding Labs will open in a new tab, and when you open a Coding Lab activity within the MindTap Learning Path, you will see four main components: the Companion tab, the Code Editor, the Explorer, and the Terminal. You can close and reopen the terminal to gain working space. You can also configure these panels by dragging and dropping them into your desired place and size so that your workspace fits the needs of you and your students. You can also see that on the far right side, there is a sidebar that allows for additional features and settings. The Companion tab includes the guidance for using the code editor. The required tasks for the assignment are here, as well as an example for the output of the tasks. It also contains three buttons: Run Code, Calculate Grade, and Submit. The tasks identify the assignment objectives that the student needs to complete. They usually include a series of checks and tests which are run against the student's project to ensure each objective has been successfully completed. So for the purposes of this class, I'm going to go ahead and put in my coding. And then once the coding is entered, I'm going to go ahead and click the box for task 1. This is going to run the task to make sure that it's executing the program for the desired output. If the box remains red, it means the task requirement was not fulfilled, and a green box indicates a successfully completed task. The Run Code button will execute the code, and the Calculate Grade button checks all of the tasks at once and generates a grade. You can see for my task 1, the box went green. So I'm going to go ahead and run my code. It's going to provide me an output down here in my terminal. I am satisfied with the output, so I'm going to go ahead and calculate my grade. Once the student is satisfied with their work, they will then hit the Submit button, which will submit the assignment and send the grade to the instructor. The code editor allows for the students to edit the files in the project. Students can open multiple editors side by side, both horizontally and vertically, and they can reorder the editors as per their preference. The terminal will always display the results of the code execution and will enable you to interact with any input prompts that are needed. As you can see, my current grade is 100. I could go ahead and hit Submit, and that would send the grade over to the instructor. With the LMS integrated features, instructors will experience an effortless setup process, and students are able to navigate and interact this robust industry standard code editor right from their school's LMS. The immersive MindTap Coding Labs built using GitHub Codespaces provide students with coding experiences that mimic the environments of real-world workplaces. And by coding directly within GitHub, students are able to build out portfolios to demonstrate their unique skills and experience that they can use as a portfolio to share with future employers. If any questions or would like to learn more about GitHub Codespaces, please reach out. We are happy to help. Thanks and have a great day.